Hello student, here we discuss about CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy, and different terms. What is DQ, what is T2G level, what is EG, why T2G is equal to 4 DQ, and EG level is having 6 DQ. What does it mean? What is delta O stand for? What is delta T stand for? And negative value of CFSE, it is only gives the stability of the complex. So no need to worry, only we have to think about magnitude. Okay, so higher will be the magnitude, more will be the stability. Some ligands of spectrochemical series also will discuss here. Relationship that delta T, that is crystal field splitting energy in tetrahedral complex, is approximately equal to 4/9 delta O, that is octahedral CFSE, octahedral what is this crystal field stabilization energy. So DQ is octahedral complex. It is parameter used for quantity of crystal field splitting energy delta O. Okay, where the total splitting between T2G and EG orbitals equal to 10 DQ. It represents the energy unit for the calculating stabilization, where the electron in T2G orbitals are stabilized by 4 DQ and electrons in EG orbitals are stabilized by 6 DQ. So 10 DQ means total splitting in octahedral delta O, the energy gap between the lower T2G set and which is having 3 orbitals, and upper EG set which is having 2 orbitals. In detail we have discussed earlier, so we go for that video and check it. And then this is T2G level, delta O energy gap is lowered by 4 DQ, that is 0.4 delta O, and below the barycenter, while EG level is raised by 6 DQ above the barycenter. Okay, that is here we discuss about this. See here. Here first listen these two diagrams. This is barycenter, this is straight line. Here it is 0 mark. So it is below the barycenter there will be lower energy orbital T2G orbitals, and above the barycenter there will be EG sets. Okay, EG sets, this is having 2 degenerate orbitals. Energy of this is equal to 0.6 in plus 0.6 delta T. Here I will write, this is delta O, this is also delta O octahedral, and this is 0.4 minus sign delta O. And in tetrahedral it is just opposite to this. At the below of the barycenter there are EG levels which is having lower energy in tetrahedral complex, and above there is T2G level. This is having plus 0.6 and this delta T I will say. Okay, delta T in hurry I have